So today's video is going to be much more chill than normal. It's going to be quite quick as well. It's more for the people that want to get Boxycharm here in South Africa and you're not quite sure how to get it yet. So if you just want to know, then keep on watching. I'll be explaining everything in as much detail as what I possibly can in this video. Okay, so firstly, you want to go to the Aramex website, which I will link down below. You're going to have to register your account there, or first register for an account. Now, it will cost 150 Rand. If you don't want to pay 150 Rand, you can just use the discount code, which I will link right over here. Your second step is then to go to the Boxycharm website. I will link it down below. Use my referral code, you will get maybe some goodies. Depending on when you order, you might get some free things. When you get to the website, it's pretty simple. You have 4 options on how you want to receive them or how much you want to pay, blah, blah, blah. So if you choose the monthly, you will pay $21 a month and that's it. It renews automatically and you can cancel your subscription at any time. If you choose to do 3 months, you'll pay $59. Which will then renew every 3 months and you can cancel that at any time. You can choose to do 6 months, which will then cost you $116. You will renew every 6 months and you can cancel at any time. Or you could do 12 months, which will be $231, which will also renew every year, well, yearly. So if you order January this year, it will renew January next year again. And it renews automatically and you can cancel at any time. It is cheaper if you go for more than 1 month. So if you choose the 3, 6 or 12 month option, it is cheaper than doing it monthly, month to month. Also, if you do choose the 12 month, you pay it off at once. So once you've chosen your package choice, then you're gonna go into the payments option now. So where you're gonna make the payments. Now, there it's gonna ask for your shipping address and for your credit card details, obviously, so that you can make your payments and stuff. So by your shipping address, you're not gonna put your current residential or work address, wherever you want it delivered to here in South Africa, you're not going to put that in there. Remember, you've put that in your Aramex account. On Boxycharm's website, you're going to put your shipping address as your New York address that Aramex gives you. You need to go to your Aramex website and under the tab that says your addresses, or it says my addresses, you click on that and it's going to give you a whole drop down list of all the addresses that you now have available to you. You're going to go find your New York address. When you click on it, it gives you basically all the details that you need to copy and paste into your Boxycharm thing. The most important part when you are copy and pasting from Aramex to Boxycharm is your account number. Now your account number has to go under your name by the Boxycharm website. Does that make sense? So you'll put your name, Tila Veilbach, or whatever your name is, by your name column for Boxycharm. But because my name is too long, I literally had to cut it in half. I made my name shorter and my surname shorter as well, because your account number is the most important. If your name, if they can kind of see, okay, that's your name, your account number is linked to your name in South Africa, and so they'll know where to ship that then once they receive it in New York. So when you put it in, make sure that your full account number falls under your Boxycharm name. So remember, it's the most important to make sure that your account number is copied into your name by Boxycharm. I hope that makes sense. Message me if it doesn't. Once you've filled in all the steps that Boxycharm needs you to fill in, like your shipping address, your name, and all that, they're gonna then ask you to make your payment. So you put in your credit card details and you make your payment. This now means you subscribe to Boxycharm. But now you want to know, are you going to get it here in South Africa, or how does it work from there? So it's pretty simple and they make it very easy for us. When Boxycharm starts their shipping for the month, you'll get an email saying that your Boxycharm is on its way to you. Normally you get 2 different emails, one that says your Boxycharm is on its way to you. The second one will say your tracking number through FedEx. So Boxycharm ships all their things in America through FedEx. So you get your tracking number, you click on the code that it sends you in your email and it takes you to the website and you can track your Boxycharm. So it tells you where it is, has it reached Aramex yet, what. It usually takes about a week for FedEx to then drop it off by Aramex. Once it arrives at Aramex, Aramex then sends you an email again saying we've received your parcel, we will weigh it and get back to you. So they have it then and they'll let you know. Once they've got it, they're going to weigh it and then send you an amount to pay. Normally it's about 199 Rand because it's under a kilogram. They charge you per kilo. If you chose Aramex to automatically take your money, you don't have to make a payment. They will take the money automatically from your account. If you chose manually, like me, then they will send you an email saying your product or your parcel weighs 500 grams. It's going to cost 199 Rand. Please make payment. You can go into your website, by your profile. It will then say pending payments. click on that. It's by the same tabs as it says like your tracking, your addresses and all this stuff. It will say pending payments. You go into that, it asks you for your 199 Rand. Your payment will then reflect on your shipping details when you are tracking your parcel, and that's all done from your side. And then it just basically means it's all in Aramex's hands. They make sure it comes through to South Africa. It gets checked through customs. Sometimes you get charged by customs, sometimes you don't, just depends. But if you do get charged, it will be an extra fee. The easiest thing about this whole process is that when it's through FedEx or Aramex or whatever, you are able to track your parcel the whole time. You'll know where it is, and once it's dropped off by FedEx, they say it's been dropped off. Then Aramex tells you, hey, we've got it. So it's really easy to keep track of where it is and kind of estimate when you'll get it. Boxy ships. It takes about 2 weeks from then to get to my door, and it gets dropped off like literally, like I said, where you put your address in. So mine's to my house, gets dropped off by my house, and it's as easy as that. I know in the beginning when you're like putting all your details down, you're like, did I put in the right stuff? Is it okay? Or you know, you're not too sure. I know I was there, but after that it's so easy. The only thing you have to do every month is make sure you pay your Aramex fee for the 199 Rand. That's it. Everything else is done for you. They've got it in their control, and you just wait for your parcel. At the end of the day, it does cost more to get your Boxycharm here in South Africa than it would if you lived in America, but it's only 200 Rand more. For the products you get inside, I love the idea. So to me it's worth it. You kind of get all these really fun things. Hope you guys found this helpful. And if you guys have any questions, please message me. I'm glad to assist. If you found this video helpful and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.